I think it's, yeah, just about good morning. Today we are in a very windy Ben Nevis Holiday Park. Ben Nevis Holiday Park.
Highland Holidays.
Yep. And that is Ben Nevis in the background, we think, or one of them is. We will find out somewhere around here. It's Ben Nevis. We'll find out later on. So we got here yesterday at about, what time did we get here? 3 o'clock? Yeah. About 3 o'clock. Had a longest drive yesterday, but had a nice stop and everything midway. So yeah, we've checked in. We're here for 3 nights. We've got a nice pitch, electric, lovely shower block, really nice. And today we booked a taxi, not too bad actually, for £10 to take us into Fort William. We're going to go and see what's there. At the moment it's not raining. This is the reception. Nice reception. It's got a little shop in there, and I believe that it's got a Campbell's Cafe and Takeaway. Unfortunately that's not open over the Christmas period, but we don't need it anyway. But yeah, so normally there's a cafe, takeaway, shop, reception. Yeah, it's really nice. There's holiday lodges, there's caravans, lots of facilities for your waste. As I said, beautiful shower blocks. And what Tim was most impressed at was the Christmas music coming out when he was in the shower. He loved that. He's really into Christmas. I made him wear a Santa hat yesterday, and tomorrow he's wearing a Christmas jumper. So he loved the, you could hear him singing away in the shower.
Can't get away from it.
You can't get away from it. I will make you Christmassy if it kills me. Right, gonna go now and wait for the taxi. This is what's on site. There's hard standing electric pitches, fully serviced pitches, Highland Premier caravans, Highland Premier Plus caravans, Ben Nevis lodges, Nevis hot tub lodges, Highland pods, reception, cafe, takeaway, picnic area, fire pit, play park, showers, toilets, laundrette, general waste, grey water, etc. So yeah, that's a map of the pitches. We just had a quick taxi into Fort William. Nice chat with the taxi driver, very friendly, and we've landed here at St Andrew's Church, which is in the middle of town. So we're going to have a little wander. Some e-bikes here. Fort William e-bikes. Bit blowy, as you can see. Hair's not quite going to plan. I think it might be a hat day. What do you reckon? Hat day.
We'll see.
Yeah. There's the main street, got Mountain Warehouse, gallery in the fort, Sleeping Beauty Salon, Cafe Mango, Sports Direct. Bit of everything, yeah. A few people milling around. The bronze Ford commemorates the ascent of Ben Nevis in a Model T Ford by Henry Alexander of Edinburgh. He left this square on the 9th of May 1911 and returned triumphant 9 days later. One of the most daring feats in the history of motoring. In May 2011, stalwarts carried the components of a 1911 car to the summit, where they assembled it in a snowstorm. That car was used as a template for this bronze sculpture, cast at Powder Hall Bronze Limited, Edinburgh, 2018. Here he is. It's a long way to go back in those days, isn't it? Yeah, so Model T Ford, I'm guessing this is, or was. Hello mate. It's bloody cold out here. Cold out here. Right. Oh, we're in Cameron Square. I've got a grandson, Cameron. Cameron Square. Finally, company. Nice display in the window there. Cameron Street, which is the grandson's name, and then we found Oshan's accommodation, who is my other grandson, his brother. Chances of that. Some beautiful things in the windows. Oh, look at that one with the hat on. That is lush. I think, girls, that Mummy and Daddy should buy you Highland cars for Christmas. Daddy, a random guy, he's got, no, is that work boots or football? Yeah, maybe is he a footballer or something? I don't know. Not sure what he is. Girls catching the view. Nice view there, Lottie. Yeah. Beautiful shop here. Can't remember what it's called. There's pictures up there. Oh my god, I hadn't seen those. Just zoom in on those. They are awesome. The stuff they've got in here is fab. No wonder. All really traditional Scottish. Love these hats as well, what do you reckon? Highland cows everywhere. Key rings. This is what the girls have got their eyes on. I really want to buy them one. Oh, they've got names. Funny. Finley. They've even got some little Scottish hats on that. So cute. Nice t-shirts. I like that. It's nice.
It'll be
Okay.
these ones on this
40.
this one here.
These coats, all different colours. Beautiful, £300, but they are beautiful. Nice. I could spend a fortune in here. Unfortunately, I don't have a fortune. Another one, Tartan House. I do love these hoodies. I have a thing for this Highland cow thing, the funky coloured one. It's really nice. And they've got sheep and teddies. We're now on the hunt for Highland cows. Don't cost 40 quid each. This is the Alexandra Hotel. Another church. Beautiful mountains behind it. It's starting to clear off a little bit. When the rain comes in, it just really fogs over and you can't see anything. Just popped into Tesco Express, got dogs and food. This is what's around here. How's the lager in Scotland? Any different to Welsh lager?
It's going down a bit slower at the moment, but I will persevere.
Ah, that's because of the cooked breakfast first thing this morning.
That could well be. I'll persevere. I will see.
What was price like?
It's about £5, I think.
What, £10 for two?
£10.80 for the two. But you're on expensive.
Premium.
Yeah.
Premium copper.
And the ice. So.
And ice, yeah. It's probably the ice that did it.
Yeah.
So we're in the Ben Nevis pub. Whatever it's called. Pub and restaurant, I think it is, isn't it? Very friendly, dog friendly. Girls getting lots of fuss, aren't you girls, in your nice little waterproof Scottish coats. Lots of cuddles and attention. So we're going to have another little wander in a minute. And
it's just started to rain, so best I keep the dogs here. And you
and I'll go out and get wet. You know you can do with that. Oh, we've just come out of the Ben Nevis Inn, pub and restaurant. And we had a lovely steak dinner. It was gorgeous.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah.
Really nice, good value for money, I think. We had steak, chips, tomato, onion rings, mushroom, peppercorn sauce, all included in the price. £21 each. We like a rare steak, and it was cooked perfectly. Really, really nice. Wine and a beer. And now heading back to the van. We'll try and get a taxi now.
Don't need to get into bed early for college or something.
Yeah, waiting for Santa to come. I think by the time we get home, we maybe dinner would have gone down a little bit. And I'm looking forward to trying one of our little baby Guinnesses or a Jaeger or something. A few drinks before we go to bed. Yeah, so it's gone very quiet here now. It was buzzing earlier on. It was quite busy, but I think everyone's tucked up in bed now, waiting for Santa. There girls, you looking forward to Santa? Yes. Right, we'll see you. Oh no, let's show you the trees and the lights. It's all quite pretty. Does look pretty, doesn't it? Especially that square bit. We'll zoom in as we walk past. Right, wait a minute, lot. That's a cinema right in the middle of town. It's a right quaint little cinema. Really pretty.
You can see Ben Nevis in the background.
Kind of. It's a bit dark. Anyway, there we are. Right, we'll see you guys later when we get back to the van. It looks a little bit like someone's had a party.
We've worked on it.
We have worked on it, haven't we, girls? We've worked on it. We've had all the dodgy stuff out. Bailey's, Jaeger, Tia Maria, Stella and Prosecco. So it's over and out for tonight, and we'll see you on Christmas Day. Right, Bella, any chance you can get out my chair? Morning everyone, it's Christmas Day. We woke up about 9:30, went and had a shower, all refreshed, and now we're going to open our prezzies.
Yeah, it's not 1 o'clock now, isn't it?
No, it is. Let's look at my phone. It's 10:30, which isn't bad. Quite civilised. Pooch is all excited to open the presents. Aren't you? You've had your head in the bag already this morning. Yeah? Come on then. Let's see what we got.
I don't know what we got.
I don't know. There's a bag from Anne Harrod,
So bag.
which I think is these. Mum.
Oh, look what we got.
This is from the youngest one. I think I'm going to need a scissors because she's tied everything up.
Granny's favourite.
Is it what?
In the way of the picture.
Probably. I don't know.
Okay,
Don't worry.
we have
So put it down for him.
I'll stick it on that corner if you want.
Everybody, yes.
Can reach it from there.
Tim's be getting in the way at 10:30 in the morning.
This song.
He's allowed to on Christmas Day. It's the only day I allow him to have a drink before 12 o'clock. Oh, it's a puppy calendar. Cockapoos 2024, and that's Lottie on the front. Oh, lush, I love that. Okay, let's have a quick look through that. In case you hadn't noticed, we're a bit balmy for cockapoos, especially our own.
What's the wee bit?
We are both crazy for cockapoos. Oh, Bella's inside. Look, Bella. Look, Bella. It's our little Bella Boo. We've got for February. And another lot. Oh, that's the perfect calendar. Thank you, Anne Harrod. That will be going up in the house when we get home.
Or in the van. Well,
There's not a lot of room in the van, really, but we'll be going somewhere. Right, I should really get a bag for rubbish. Bella. Oh, Bella and Lottie. This is a joint one. Let's see if Anne Harrod's about first. Mum. We need one for Dad. We do need one. They are Dad. One for Dad. To help plan all your 20... Oh, so maybe we should put it in the van. And Harrod's put on the little label for my calendar. To help plan all your 2024 trips. Mum and Dad, that was to both of us.
you don't need any encouragement.
No, we don't need any encouragement, girls, but it's nice to have a calendar to write the trips on. Yeah, I got a mum here. I got a feeling I know what this one is. Bag for rubbish. I reckon selection box. Have a little thing in our house. No matter how old you are, you get a little selection box. Even if you're 51.
You know what the dog is?
I think that might be a dog one. Does it say on it? Yeah, Bella and Lottie. What have we got here?
Christmas card for you.
Oh, I got a card. I'll buy you one. Well, girls, check in. What's it? We did actually manage to find a sheep and a cow less than £40 in Scotland for the girls for Christmas. From Anne Harrod.
Right.
And a card. I sent my Christmas card.
Well, you haven't got the Christmas cards up. I thought I'd get yours.
I didn't buy him a Christmas card because I'm a cheapskate.
Pardon, you did what?
I didn't buy you a Christmas card. Oh, too sexy. Wishing you a wonderful Christmas and a very happy New Year. Love you so much. Oh, I'm going to do that later on. Oh, £5 one. Bloody hell. Let's hope we win something off that, girls. 100,000 a month for a year. That would give us camper van dreams, wouldn't it? We could go away and bugger off. Never come back. Apart from see the kids. The parents.
This is your FaceTime.
Yes, we've got FaceTime call. Good point. Good point. Right, now is it the main present?
I don't know.
For those of you who watch Gavin and Stacey, is it my main present?
You've got
Got two big boxes behind us. I think they are the main presents. Oh, he's got that right. To the boss. To the boss. Loved him. Right. Scissors. Cut the bow off. Give one to the pair of New Balance Breakers. And then we go. Do that to the kids.
That's the numbers.
Oh, they are lush. Lush, lush, lush. Check them out.
Oh, yeah. That's right.
What you got?
It's a North Face, bright laces.
bright lace. They come with shoes. The laces do come with shoes. Well, he's got a hole in his other hiking boots, and I thought I'd treat him. I bought myself a pair in the year, and they are super comfy. Super comfy.
Very good job.
So I'll treat them to a pair as well. There we are, girls. That's our main presents. I didn't say anything.
You did. In my witness, and Howard was in the kitchen. £30 each, surprise.
Yeah, but then they did £100 on boots, so I haven't done that, you numpty.
That's what you said, £30 each,
Yeah, but that was
surprise.
before I bought 100 odd quid of the boots. Lot, come over here. Surprises, I didn't do anything else. Lot. We did originally say we were just going to do like 30 quid surprise present for each other. But then I bought Nixon's pair of boots, thought we weren't doing it anymore.
Well, you didn't tell
I
me.
didn't pass on the message, did I?
You forgot to pass the message on.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sweetheart.
Thank you. I feel all bad now. Oh, headbands. Thank you. I did want those. Keep my ears warm. I have been after some of them.
And not mess your hair up.
Yes.
First, wishing.
Oh, that looks rather nice and rather soft. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Did you send on Howard shopping? You look.
Reversible to go with pillows.
The new romantics.
Thank you. That is gorgeous. Really nice. Super warm. Soft, isn't it?
Are you having one roast potato or two?
I think if we're having a bit of mash, one is probably plenty.
Yeah, it's fine, but I can't make more. But I can.
Yeah, no,
chuck.
I think that.
I
What are
can-
you having? One?
Yeah, well, I can do us two each if you want, and we can chuck them away. It makes no odds
Yeah,
to me.
dogs don't mind a roast potato. Come on, they do two.
The two roasts.
Yeah.
And I'm on mash.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The next few hours were generally spent prepping, cooking, organising, whilst drinking a few beers at the same time. Sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts. We've got funky coloured carrots. Aren't they cool? Different colours. Nice. Christmas tree. That is our Christmas tree this year. There's some flashing lights on the top. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you follow on for our next video, we take the stunning drive over to the Isle of Skye where we find more and more snow.
A new place, a new home.